how opposed are you to having a burping contest? I mean, you are a lady.
But I was the ultimate burping champion in 3rd grade.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Alright, I have some sparkly Arrowhead water.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't need water, but I'll take it.
Of course you need the water.
No, you don't. You just swallow air.
Yuck!
How is that yuck? It's like breathing, except it goes in your tummy and not your lungs.
Disgusting. No, that's gross. Orange or cherry? It's got no sugar, it's just flavor.
Cherry.
Yuck! I don't want to do this. No.
It's like hummus.
No.
And sun-dried tomatoes.
I don't know why.
I think it was garlic hummus. I'm not gonna lie. I was eating a lot of pita chips. You want to do a burping contest?
I thought I did, but I don't. I don't want to do it.
But this was your idea.
It's a bad idea. It was a bad idea from the start.
But it was your idea, Morgan.
No. My whole body hurts.
Ow, that's my nose. Oh my god. It's making an appearance.
What happened?
I'm just laughing and drinking. And it's sparkling water. It's like a neti pot. It's just coming out. Oh my god.
Oh, I have to focus.
Oh.
We're doing a show.
Oh no, there's people. Oh.
No.
Mom, I'm sorry.
It's a terrible, terrible idea. Focus. We're gonna have a burping contest.
Okay.
So, I don't even know if I can burp. I don't know why I thought this was an idea. It's like a stupid idea I had, and then I said it, and I had the tools, and I don't know if I can do it. I'm gonna try.
Don't mess up.
It's really sharp.
That was without the water.
What? You didn't drink the water?
No, I was swallowing air. Other people do this technique. I know it.
But did you? I can't handle this. It's literally too much.
This is too much.
Okay, I can do this.
Oh.
I'm gonna have a burping contest with Mary. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be.
Boy me is so delighted. No water. Bam.
It's so much bigger than mine. Why?
Practice.
I feel like less of a man.
I'm sorry.
Your burps are demasculating.
Sorry.
Okay.
I want to evolve into a water human.
What?
Pokemon?
Alright, I got this. I gotta focus.
We're still doing this.
We're still doing this.
That was really garlicky. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Everybody involved.
We'll try again later. We'll revisit this on another